In the world of men's health, there's a fascinating connection between daily habits and prostate health that many overlook. Imagine a body part that has a hidden ability to self-cleanse, yet it relies on a simple act to maintain that function. What if this everyday action could play a crucial role in keeping the prostate healthy? Research reveals that ejaculation is not just about pleasure, it's a vital process for the prostate. As fluid is expelled, toxins and old cells are cleared away, promoting a healthier environment. But what does this mean for men who make masturbation a regular part of their lives? Could this habit actually enhance the prostate's natural cleaning abilities, leading to better overall health? As we explore the intriguing dynamics between masturbation and prostate health, new insights emerge. Are there additional lifestyle choices that can further support this self-cleaning mechanism? Stay tuned as we uncover practical tips and surprising facts that can empower men to take charge of their health. The journey to understanding prostate wellness starts here, and it's more important than ever to pay attention to these strange yet vital changes. Mechanisms of prostate self-cleansing. The prostate has some fascinating ways of keeping itself healthy. One of these is through natural processes that help eliminate toxins and unwanted substances. The body produces fluids, and these fluids play a crucial role in flushing out impurities. This self-cleaning mechanism is essential for preventing infections and maintaining overall prostate health. When the prostate is functioning well, it can manage to clear out harmful substances that might accumulate over time. This includes dead cells and other debris that could potentially lead to issues if left unchecked. Regular bodily functions, such as urination, also contribute to this cleansing process. It's a natural defense that helps keep the prostate in good working order. Moreover, the prostate is influenced by hormonal changes in the body. These hormones help regulate its functions, encouraging the production of fluids that assist in the cleansing process. By maintaining a healthy hormonal balance, the prostate can effectively manage its own health. It's important to understand that these mechanisms work best when the body is well taken care of overall. Lifestyle choices can also impact the prostate's ability to self-cleanse. A diet rich in antioxidants and nutrients can promote better function. Staying hydrated is another key factor, as it helps facilitate the elimination of toxins. Simple changes in daily habits can significantly improve how well the prostate performs its self-cleansing duties. In summary, the prostate has built-in mechanisms to keep itself clean and healthy. Understanding these processes can encourage individuals to adopt healthier lifestyles that support prostate health. Ejaculation and prostate health. Ejaculation plays an interesting role in prostate health. When a man ejaculates, it helps to expel various substances that may have built up in the prostate over time. This includes not just sperm, but also fluids that may contain harmful toxins. Regular ejaculation can be a natural way to keep the prostate functioning properly. Research suggests that frequent ejaculation may lower the risk of certain prostate issues. By clearing out the prostate regularly, it may help to reduce the chances of developing complications later in life. This is particularly important as men age, since the risk of prostate-related problems tends to increase. Moreover, the act of ejaculation is not just about releasing tension, it can also be a part of maintaining overall prostate health. It encourages blood flow to the area, which is vital for proper function. Improved circulation can help deliver nutrients and remove waste more effectively, contributing to a healthier prostate. The frequency of ejaculation can vary greatly among individuals, but studies indicate that a higher frequency is generally beneficial. This doesn't mean that every man needs to adhere to a strict schedule, but understanding the benefits of regular ejaculation can motivate individuals to maintain a healthy sexual lifestyle. In essence, regular ejaculation can act as a natural mechanism to keep the prostate healthy. It's one of those things that not only feels good but also serves an important purpose for prostate wellness. Effects of daily masturbation. Daily masturbation has been a topic of discussion for many years. Some people might see it as a taboo subject, but it can have positive effects on prostate health. Engaging in this activity regularly can promote better function and health for the prostate. It's a natural way to relieve sexual tension and stress, which can indirectly benefit prostate function. Research indicates that masturbation helps in flushing out toxins and other substances from the prostate. When a man masturbates, he stimulates the prostate, which can encourage the release of fluid. This process can help keep the prostate clean and functioning properly. It's a simple yet effective way to promote prostate health without any complicated routines. In addition to the physical benefits, daily masturbation can also contribute to emotional well-being. Engaging in this activity can enhance mood and relieve stress, which is important for overall health. A relaxed mind and body can lead to better physical health, including the health of the prostate. Furthermore, the act of masturbation increases blood flow to the pelvic region. This improved circulation is beneficial for the prostate, as it helps deliver nutrients and remove waste products. Hence, daily masturbation can serve multiple purposes, contributing both to emotional and physical health. Ultimately, while it may not be a common topic of conversation, daily masturbation can play a significant role in maintaining a healthy prostate. It's a natural part of life that can bring various health benefits. Relevant scientific studies. Numerous scientific studies have explored the relationship between regular masturbation and prostate health. These studies provide valuable insights into how this activity can positively impact prostate function. For instance, some research has shown that men who masturbate frequently may have a lower risk of developing prostate cancer. One significant study found that men who ejaculated 21 times or more per month had a noticeably lower risk of prostate cancer compared to those who ejaculated less frequently. This suggests that regular ejaculation, through masturbation or sexual intercourse, can be an important factor in maintaining prostate health. Another area of research focuses on the role of ejaculation in hormone regulation. Regular ejaculation appears to help balance hormones that influence prostate function. This balance is crucial for the overall health of the gland and may help prevent issues related to aging. Additionally, some studies highlight the link between sexual activity and prostate inflammation. Men who engage in regular sexual activity, including masturbation, tend to have a lower incidence of prostatitis. This indicates that keeping the prostate active can help ward off inflammation and other complications. In summary, scientific research supports the idea that regular masturbation can contribute positively to prostate health. These studies provide a solid foundation for understanding the potential benefits of this natural activity in maintaining prostate wellness. Relationship between mental health and prostate health. Mental health and prostate health are more connected than one might think. When a person feels good emotionally, it can reflect positively on their physical health. Engaging in activities that promote relaxation and reduce stress, such as masturbation, can lead to an overall sense of well-being. This feeling of relief can lower anxiety levels, which is beneficial not just for mental health but also for prostate health. Stress has been known to have various negative effects on the body, including potential impacts on prostate function. Masturbation, in particular, is a natural way to relieve stress and tension. It releases endorphins, the body's feel-good hormones, which can enhance mood and promote relaxation. By incorporating this practice into one's routine, individuals may find themselves feeling more at ease and less anxious. This reduction in stress can help maintain hormonal balance, which is crucial for prostate health. Essentially, a relaxed mind contributes to a relaxed body, and that includes the prostate. Moreover, when individuals feel better mentally, they are more likely to engage in other healthy behaviors. They may be more inclined to eat nutritious foods, exercise regularly, and avoid harmful habits like smoking or excessive drinking. These lifestyle choices directly support prostate health, creating a positive feedback loop. Therefore, taking care of one's mental well-being through practices like masturbation can have cascading benefits for physical health, particularly concerning the prostate. It's also important to note that open discussions about sexual health and habits can reduce stigma and promote a healthier attitude toward these topics. This openness can encourage men to seek help for mental health issues, which can further support their prostate health. After all, feeling comfortable discussing one's sexual health can lead to better overall health outcomes. Lastly, prioritizing mental health by acknowledging the connection to prostate health can empower individuals. It's a reminder that taking care of oneself is a holistic process. By understanding this relationship, men can be more proactive in maintaining both their mental and prostate health. Healthy habits for maintaining prostate health. Maintaining a healthy prostate is not just about sexual practices, it's also about adopting a holistic approach to health through diet and exercise. Eating a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and healthy fats can significantly impact prostate health. Foods like tomatoes, which are high in lycopene, and nuts, which provide essential fatty acids, are particularly beneficial. A focus on whole foods can reduce inflammation and promote overall health. In addition to a nutritious diet, staying physically active is crucial. Regular exercise improves blood circulation and helps regulate hormone levels, both of which are important for prostate function. Activities like walking, jogging, or swimming can be effective in maintaining a healthy weight and reducing the risk of prostate issues. Moreover, exercise can boost mood and reduce stress, creating a win-win situation for both mental and prostate health. Hydration is another key aspect of prostate health that should not be overlooked. Drinking plenty of water can help flush out toxins and reduce the risk of urinary tract infections, which can affect the prostate. A well-hydrated body functions more efficiently, and that includes the reproductive system. Drinking water throughout the day can support overall health and help maintain optimal prostate function. Additionally, men should consider regular checkups with healthcare providers. These visits can help catch any potential issues early and provide an opportunity to discuss lifestyle choices that affect prostate health. It's essential to stay informed and proactive about one's health, as early detection can lead to better outcomes. Lastly, avoiding harmful substances is vital for maintaining prostate health. Limiting alcohol consumption and avoiding tobacco can reduce the risk of developing prostate-related diseases. By incorporating these healthy habits into daily life, men can take significant steps toward ensuring their prostate remains healthy and functioning well. Mitigation of risks of prostate diseases. Regular masturbation has been linked to a lower risk of developing prostate diseases, including prostatitis and prostate cancer. While this may sound surprising to some, research suggests that regular ejaculation can help keep the prostate healthy. The idea is that by engaging in this natural process, the prostate can effectively flush out harmful substances that may accumulate over time. This flushing mechanism may lead to a healthier gland and potentially reduce the risk of developing serious conditions. One of the main theories behind this protective effect is that regular ejaculation can help reduce inflammation in the prostate. Inflammation is often a precursor to more severe prostate conditions. When men practice regular masturbation, they may experience less congestion and a lower likelihood of developing prostatitis, which is the inflammation of the prostate gland. This can lead to a more comfortable life and a reduced chance of complications that arise from prostate issues. Moreover, studies have suggested that there is a correlation between ejaculation frequency and prostate cancer risk. Some research indicates that men who ejaculate more frequently, whether through masturbation or sexual intercourse, may have a lower risk of developing prostate cancer. This could be due to the regular emptying of the prostate, which may prevent the buildup of potentially harmful substances that could lead to cancerous changes in the prostate tissue. It's also worth noting that the benefits of regular masturbation are not just limited to physical health. Engaging in this activity can contribute to an overall sense of well-being, which can indirectly impact prostate health. When individuals feel good emotionally and mentally, they are likely to take better care of their bodies, including making healthier lifestyle choices that support prostate function. In summary, regular masturbation appears to play a significant role in mitigating the risks associated with prostate diseases. By promoting healthy prostate function, reducing inflammation, and encouraging a positive emotional state, this natural activity may serve as a valuable tool in maintaining prostate health. As the research continues to evolve, it becomes increasingly clear that taking care of one's sexual health is essential for overall well-being. As we wrap up this exploration of prostate health and the effects of daily masturbation, let's take a moment to reflect on what we've learned. Regular ejaculation plays a crucial role in maintaining the prostate's natural self-cleaning abilities. This isn't just about pleasure, it's about taking charge of your health. Consider how many men overlook the importance of these simple habits. Are you one of them? Embracing regular masturbation can lead to a healthier prostate and a more vibrant life. But it's not just about frequency, it's also about understanding your body. Have you thought about how your lifestyle choices impact your sexual health? Nutrition, exercise, and hydration all play vital roles. Imagine the benefits of combining these healthy habits with what you've learned today. So, what will you do differently starting now? Will you prioritize your prostate health? Remember, being proactive can lead to a happier and healthier life. If you found this information valuable, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights on sexual health. Let's keep this conversation going. What questions do you have about prostate health? Drop them in the comments below, and let's dive deeper together. Your health journey is just beginning.